Struggling to find joy in your textbooks? This video is for you. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of your brain and how to trick it into not just tolerating, but actually enjoying the process of studying. Welcome, future knowledge enthusiasts. If you've ever felt that studying is a chore, a burden, or just plain boring, you're in the right place. We're here to change that narrative. Let's be honest. For many, studying feels like pushing a boulder uphill. It's often associated with stress, deadlines, and a lack of immediate gratification. But what if we told you it doesn't have to be that way? Your brain is an incredible organ, highly adaptable and influenced by association. We're going to leverage this to make studying a source of satisfaction, not dread. Ready to learn the secrets? The core principle here is positive association. Your brain forms connections between experiences and emotions. If studying always leads to negative feelings, it will avoid it. Let's flip the script. First, create a study space that's inviting. Think comfortable lighting, minimal distractions, maybe even a pleasant scent. Make it a place you want to be, not a dungeon of doom. Next, pair studying with small, immediate rewards. Finished a chapter? Treat yourself to a piece of chocolate, a quick scroll through social media, or a few minutes of your favorite music. This trains your brain to see studying as a gateway to something good. Overwhelmed by a big topic? Break it down into bite-sized chunks. Our brains respond better to smaller, manageable tasks. Each completed chunk gives you a sense of accomplishment, building momentum. This technique is a game changer. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This cyclical approach prevents burnout and keeps your focus sharp. It also gives your brain regular mini rewards. Instead of study for 3 hours, try read 10 pages or solve 5 practice problems. Achieving these small goals releases dopamine, making you feel good and motivating you for the next step. Who said learning can't be fun? Turn your study sessions into a game. Compete against yourself, set challenges, or even use study apps that incorporate game elements. Challenge a friend to a knowledge showdown. Create flashcard games, or even design your own mock quizzes. The element of play makes the process engaging and reduces the perception of drudgery. Keep a log of your study hours, topics covered, or progress made. Seeing your efforts accumulate provides a powerful visual of your dedication. Celebrate finishing a unit, passing a practice test, or even just sticking to your schedule for a week. Why are you studying this in the first place? Is it for a career, a personal passion, or a specific goal? Connecting your studies to a larger purpose injects meaning and motivation. When you understand how current learning contributes to your future aspirations, studying transforms from an obligation into an investment. It becomes a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Before you start, take a moment to visualize yourself successfully mastering the material, acing that exam, or applying the knowledge in a real-world scenario. This primes your brain for success. Your mindset is incredibly powerful. If you believe studying is inherently boring or difficult, it will be. Shift your perspective to see it as an opportunity for growth and discovery. Instead of dreading tough topics, see them as puzzles to solve or skills to conquer. Every challenge overcome strengthens your intellectual muscles and builds resilience. Believe in your capacity to learn and grow. Self-doubt can be a major barrier. Remind yourself of past learning successes and approach new material with confidence. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to tricking your brain into enjoying studying. It's not magic, but a strategic application of psychology and habit formation. Remember, create positive associations, break tasks down, reward yourself, gamify your learning, set achievable goals, and connect to your why. Your mindset is your biggest asset. It's time to transform your study habits. Start implementing these strategies today and discover the joy of learning. Your brain is ready. Are you?